Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students in grade 5? Today we gonna explain and discuss lesson 2, 3. Use models to add and subtract decimals. Now let's start here. Write the fraction and the decimal to name each shaded part. As you can see here, this what we represent by hundredths. We have 100 hundredths. So to write it as a fraction, we count how many hundredths we have shaded. If we count them, this 10 plus 1 equals 21. So it is as a fraction, we count them, it's 21 over 100. I want to write as decimal. As you know, it's 21 hundredths, so we can write as 0.21. Now let's talk about this, which is we call hundredths grid. This 100 hundredths, so it can be represented by 1. And now in this case we have one full grid and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hundredths. So as fraction it becomes this complete one, so it's 1, and this as 7 over 100 because we have 7 hundredths. So this one whole, this mixed number, this one whole and this 7 over 100, so it can be written 7 over 100. Now if we want to write it as decimal, we write the one in the whole portion. So 1 point, it's 7 hundredths, not 7/10. So we can't write as 1.7. It will be 1.07. As word name, we call it 1 and. We read the point as and. 1 and 7 hundredths. Of course, here, from where we bring the 1? Because it's 100 over 100. So it's 1. So it is 1. Now, look at this example. Use hundredths grids to add 0.85 plus 0.40. Okay? So, how we add them? We here in the first hundredth grid, we draw 85, we shade 85 hundredths. In the second one, we shade 4 columns or 40 hundredths, then we add them. Here, now we use different colors. This represent 0.85, so we need to shade 85 hundredths, and we draw another 100 grid and we complete 40 hundredths first. Here we have 85, so we need 15 to complete it. So this was became completed. This is 1. This is 1, and the remaining here will be hundredths. So this full one and this 25 hundredths, so it becomes 1.25. So now I added using models without using normal addition. Here 0.1 plus 0.37. I want to use models. 0.1, it's in the hundredths grid, it's it is 10 hundredths. So I put it in a color which is 10 hundredths. Now here 0.73. Now I complete 73 hundredths and I see where I arrived. Where I did reach. Do I need to graph another one? No, because we didn't complete the first one. So the answer will be here. 10 plus 73 equals 83 hundredths. It can be written as 0.83. Here, in this case, 1.33 minus what? 0.35. So first of all, in subtraction, I bring two grids because we have one in the whole, which is 100th, this one, and 33. So I shade 33 in the second hundredths grid. Now, because it's minus, so I start to cross all the subtracted one. So I start to cross 35 hundredths. I crossed here 33, and I need to cross here two other hundredths. So the answer will be this complete, except these 200. It's it's 98 hundredths, which is be written as 0.98. Here 0.37 plus 0.47. So I bring the first hundredths grid. I shade in one color this 0.37 here. Then I start shading the other number, which is 47 hundredths, until I complete it. But it wasn't completed. Where did I reach? Here I reached to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is 80 hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 84 hundredths. It can be written as 0.84. Now, in this case, when we have a whole part and a decimal, 1.11 hundredths plus 0.89. In this case, it's a very famous question because I bring the first 100 grid, I shade 100 part, then and the other one, because it's one I need one whole number, so I need, it's 100 over 100, I need to shade 100 hundredths. So in the second one I shade 11, then I complete the second number, which is 0.89. This means I need to shade 89 hundredths. So where did I reach? Now I completed both of them. So this represents one whole and this one whole. So the answer will be 2. Let me show you the answers. These are our answers as we mentioned before. As you can see, this is the way of adding and subtracting decimals using models. I hope it's clear for you. Thank you for very much for watching. I hope it's beneficial for you. If you like the video, don't forget to press like, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, Mr. Muad, JB Math and English. See you.